Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Welcome to Whitewater Meadows. We have here a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house with living, dining, kitchen, and laundry room for sale. It features solar water heater, 3 air conditioning units, 4 ceiling fans, glass shower enclosure, water tank, sun terrace, balcony, 1 car garage, and 1 carport. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422,325. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.